Welcome back to the SQL 30-day learning series. In the previous session, we covered important concepts that will help you move to the next level. Today, we continue our journey with another essential SQL topic. Let us begin today's session. Welcome to day 30. Today we will explore SQL window functions, powerful tools for analytics. They let you perform calculations across sets of rows without collapsing data. A window function is a function with an over clause. It operates across a set of rows but keeps each row visible in the result. Window functions use the over clause. You can partition rows into groups and order them to define the window. Ranking functions assign numbers to rows. Row number gives sequential numbers, rank allows gaps, and dense rank avoid gaps. Here is an example. Ranking employees by salary using rank with the order by salary descending. Window functions can apply aggregates. This example shows each employee's salary alongside their department's average. Sum with the over can calculate running totals. Here it adds up amounts in order sequence. Window functions are great for analytics. They allow ranking totals and averages while keeping row level detail intact. Let us practice. Rank employees by salary, show department averages, and calculate running totals. In e-commerce, window functions can rank products by sales, show category averages, and calculate cumulative revenue. Try these mini challenges. Use row number for top students, show average grade per course, and calculate cumulative enrollments. Your assignment: create employees, orders, and students tables. Write queries to rank employees, show averages by department, and calculate running totals. To summarize, window functions use the over clause for ranking, aggregates, and analytics. They keep row level detail while adding powerful insights. Tomorrow, we will explore case studies.